Good day mga kabayan techers, this is your Kabayan Tech. We're going to replace an iPhone 12 with no important battery message notification. So we have an iPhone 12 loaded battery. I took out the BMS. We're going to put the BMS board on the new AmpSetrix battery. On the AmpSetrix battery, I use a double-sided kapton tape to protect the actual BMS and also the welds. You may not want to do this one, it's up to you. I put the BMS on top of the two leads. I saw this one on one YouTuber, and starting from that, I didn't have any issues. So I welded directly onto the BMS board without unflapping it. Next is we're going to turn on our spot welder. I'm using a Qianli spot welder set to 2. If you want to have a higher power, then you set it to 3 or 4. Then I cut using a ceramic scissor. I fold it, and then I do the spot weld. I do the spot weld multiple times, and then double check the spot. If it's adhering, then I use again the ceramic scissor to cut the other lead, and then fold it, and then do the welds again. Once that one is done, I'm going to unflap the double-sided kapton tape to secure and protect it, and then tape it on the other side too. I'm going to cut using my ceramic scissors the excess of the kapton tape. I take out the adhesive on the protective plastic to protect the welds, and then I grab the protective mylar tape. There are two parts. Take out the first half with the longer edge, and then I put it on the front, and then the flap, the overlapping flap, I fold it and then tape it on the side. And once that one is done, then I take out the other adhesive, the other half of the adhesive, and then unflap it at the back. Next, we're going to use a pre-programmed AY iPhone 12 Pro tag-on flex, where I'm going to give you another video regarding programming of different flex. Then follow the manufacturer on how to fold the flex cable. Put it inside the phone, and then I'm going to turn it on using the power cable. That's how the procedure was shown. And then when you go onto settings, you will see an important battery message that is normal. Then we're going to turn off the phone and take out the power cable. Then turn on again the phone using the power button without the power cable. When you go to settings, the important battery message will go away. Then we go on to again your settings, then battery health, it will show 100, and we're done. So a few questions. What if we restore the phone to factory? Let's try doing this one by erasing the phone again. Then set it up, and then it will still show 100% on battery health. Thank you very much. Subscribe and watch out for my new videos.